beauties, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well today. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. So we are going to be doing an unboxing today, and this is the September BoxyCharm box. So I do have two boxes right here, so we're just going to get into it right now. Let's open up this first one. Now this is, let's just put this box aside and we are just going to unwrap this. So this is called the Clean Skin Cleansing Mist. Now this is a replacement product for the booty drops. Now this came in the August BoxyCharm, and the August BoxyCharm was my first box, and I smelled this thing and it smelled horrible. Now do you see that it's completely empty? I had to flush this thing down the toilet, and I immediately sent an email, sent a DM to BoxyCharm, and I said this product really stinks. And so they sent a replacement product, which is the Clean Skin Cleansing Mist, salicylic acid, rose extract, and eucalyptus oil. So let me just see what the box says. This lightweight formula absorbs instantly and contains powerful agents that combats imperfection whilst preventing future breakouts. Made with an ultra-fine mist nozzle that gently distributes product with a pleasant, refreshing finish. Okay, this is the packaging right here. This is what it looks like. Okay. I've never heard of a cleansing mist before. Ooh, it's in a glass bottle, which I love. Look at that, very, very pretty. A two-tone type of thing happening here. Let me just spray this. Ooh, that smells really nice, and I'm spraying this over my makeup. Ooh, this is lovely. I think I'm going to like that. Clean Slate Cleansing Mist, and I think I'm going to like that. This is lovely. Again, this is a replacement product for the booty drops that I did not like, and this was the replacement. So let's get into the bigger box right here, and I think I've already unboxed it. Ooh, wow. So this is, of course, the little card that tells you what's in the box. The first thing I see is this little thingy right here. I don't even know what the heck this is. Let's open this up and find out. Oh, I feel bad for canceling my BoxyCharm because I don't really need to be collecting too many products. These are brushes. First of all, I love the packaging, really cute. You can put something in here, put a bow on top, give it as a gift. And what do you got here? You have, I have so many of these brushes, you know, for the eyebrows. This obviously is a highlight brush. And this is a blending brush. I love the color. Very nice. Let's just see the card, what it says. This is Elaina Badro, I think it's called. And this is the Bay Blues set. I'm sorry, what is the retail price for this? This 3-piece brush set is a limited edition, and it retails for $58. Thank you for sending it to me. Love that. I love the packaging, really nice. There must be something special about these brushes. Oh my goodness, I have something here from GlamGlow. Wow, this is Youth Mud, and this is a glow stimulating treatment. Is this like a mask or something? Let's just open this up real quick and see what we got inside. I always wanted to try something from GlamGlow because I know that they are really good, good products. Let's just open this up. Oh, nice little packaging right here. And from GlamGlow, let's just look at the card really quickly. Where is it here? This Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Exfoliating Treatment Mask, this alone retails for $60. $60. Like, what the heck? Oh, there's a seal on top. I don't want to open it up. Ah, Jesus, these things are quite expensive. So next I do have something here from Georgette Klinger. This is a primer for all skin types, and this retails for $32. Blur imperfections and ensure an all-day radiant finish, hydrating and long-lasting wear. It cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acids and ensuring silky smooth makeup application. And again, this retails for $32. So next I do have something from Realher, I think it's called, Never Give Up. This looks like a lipstick, I think. Let's just open this up. Let me just see if I can take this out quickly. Oh, lovely packaging, guys. Look at that. This is really, really cute. Oh my God, look at the shade of that lipstick. Up my alley. Ah, this is beautiful. And let's see, this retails for $18. Wow. Provides hydration to the lips and, you know, yada, yada, yada. There we go. Lovely packaging. Okay then. And I canceled my boxycharm. I'm sorry I did that now, because I do like what I have in this box. So next I have a brow gel. Let's look at the card quickly. And this retails for $22. Brow gel. Let's just open the package quickly. Well, come on out, come on out. St. Luke brow gel. There we go. I didn't really use brow gels at all. Here it be. So the brow gel retails for $22. And there we go. This is from St. Luke. Never heard of these brands before, but I am going to be definitely trying this out. I like what I have in this box for September. I do have the brow gel, I have the lipstick, I do have a primer, I do have the mask from GlamGlow, and I do have a 3-piece brush set. And I was sent the replacement product for the booty drops. So I do like what came in the box for September. I am really, really pleased with it. However, I canceled my subscription because I feel like I don't need all of these things, you know what I mean? But I feel like I'm sorry I did that now, because I received this beautiful mask from GlamGlow, something I always wanted to try, but I do really like my goodies this month. So I just might reconsider maybe a Luxe box or another box or something in the future, but for now, it's a no, okay? I won't be doing any more subscriptions from them, because like I said, I don't really need a whole bunch of stuff. Anywho, so I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to join boxycharm to try them out. You're going to be getting some really good stuff. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you next time. Bye!